Hey, my creators, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about some graphic t-shirt designs and how you can make them for your own collection. So if you're anything like me, you just want a simple template that's already made and you can just follow along. So for those of you who have already joined my membership, the link is already posted so you can just follow along with that template and learn as you go. If you haven't already joined, be sure to do so by just clicking the link beneath this video. But either way, it's going to be fun. So are you ready? Let's go.
I keep it real, simple, and easy to follow. No fluff, just real stuff. That's the motto. Take your time, step by step. Let it flow. You already got it in you, now you know. Are you ready? Let's go, let's go.
All right, my creators. So I want to show you how you can create beautiful images like this yourself. Now, for those of you who are in my membership, you're going to receive this template. So you will have this and you will be able to edit this very design right here yourself. If you're not in the membership, just follow along and perhaps you can learn to do it yourself. But it is much easier if you have a template that you can already start from. So what we're going to do on this first page here, I'm just going to click on the three dots here and I'm going to duplicate the page, okay? So I'm going to leave this one, page 2. We'll leave that as the original. We'll go over to page 1 and we're going to start editing page 1, okay? I'm going to leave this right here because we are going to edit this particular font or this text inside of an app right here on Canva. Right now, I'm going to get rid of these and we're going to add some other backgrounds that Canva has already available. So I'm going to click on elements and I'm just going to type in watercolor blob. And let's see what Canva comes up with. They have quite a bit of graphics. Some are free, some are not. You see the ones with the crowns are not free and the ones without the crowns are free. But I want a vivid color. So let's choose something nice and bright. And also, I don't know if you know, but when you find one that you do like, if you hover over it and click on the three dots here, each one has three dots. Click on the three dots, and if there are others that are available, there will be an option that says see more like this, kind of towards the bottom. You can also star it so that it's in a favorite folder for you on Canva. So let's click on see more like this and let's choose one. I like this one a lot, so I'm going to choose this one. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this blue color in here. So let's click on the blue color wheel and let's make that a different color. Yeah, let's make it a lighter blue. And also, I think I want to get rid of this green tint. And we made it a pink, and then I want to get rid of this color. Let's make it more of an orange. But I think I need to click on this one as well. Okay, so now I have the colors that I want in my design, okay? So now I also want to move this behind the text. So I'm going to right click it and I'm going to go down to layer and I'm going to send it to the back. So now it's in the back, okay? So I now have my text that I want to work with. So this is the next thing that we are going to work with. All right, my creators, so now we're going to update this, okay? We're going to change it. Since we've changed the background to some different colors, let's update this. So we're going to double click in here. And when we double click, and when I say in here, I'm talking about this text right here. When we double click in here, it goes to the app that we were using, and this app is called Type Studio. Okay, so let's update the text and let's put in here love yourself first. Okay, now it's already, the alignment is to the center. I'm going to leave it like that. We're going to leave the warp effect as it is. I like this the way it's wavy, but you can change it to whatever you want. And if you click on the arrow, it has different warp designs that you can choose from, but I like what we have. And you can choose the intensity of the warp as well. So we can, move it up or down, or kind of just leave it in the middle, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to change the intensity. I'm going to put it all the way to the left, like that. Okay. And let's scroll down. The decoration effect, this is how the letters appear. I'm going to leave that the same. And the shade effect, let's see, I think right now we have this shade effect. I'll leave that, but you can change the shade effect to however you want it. I think I like this one. This is just a plain regular shade effect. And then the shade color, if you look on the workspace, that's this white here. That's what I have as white, so I'm going to leave that like it is. The texture is kind of, this is how, do you see these kind of lines on here? It gives it a textured look. That's what that is. I'm going to leave that as this one. So I think that's the fourth one. I'm going to leave that. It doesn't show a name, but I'm just going to leave that. Now I am going to change the colors in here. I'm going to change the colors of the text, and you do that by under gradient. If you choose custom, you can delete any of the colors you don't want. Okay, so our new design, the background does not have purple in it, so I'm going to click on this purple and I'm going to trash that one. It does have blue in it, so I'm going to leave that. It doesn't have a lot of this deep pink, so I'm going to let that go. Both of those I'm going to let go. And it does have orange, right? So it's got mostly orange, blue, and pink. So I think like a soft pink. Okay, so let's see, we've got two oranges going on here. So I think I'm going to get rid of that orange, and I'm going to, you want to tap to add a color, and I'm going to change this color. I'm going to make it more of a soft pink. So maybe this one. And then I'm going to move it around a little bit so you see more of the pink in there. Okay, so now we got pink in two places. All right, and then you can change the angle. See, so you can see the colors in a different angle. So it's really cool. You can scale it up or down like that. All right, and I think I want to bring out the pink more. So let's do it like that. All right, so now we are done. Last thing I forgot, I don't know if I mentioned, but you can change the font if you want. So let's click on the font, and let's, just for the sake of the video, let's change the font. Let's make it Beaver Punch. Okay, that's a good one. And now let's click on Update Element, and it's going to update the element on the page, and we'll have a new design once it's finished. Okay, so there it is. So it updated our element. It looks good. So now, if you want, you can kind of play around with the background, with the watercolor. I'm going to actually duplicate this, and the reason I'm going to do that is because if I want to put this on a black t-shirt, and I think it'll look good on a black t-shirt, I don't want the border of the letters to be what do you call it, like just kind of dyed out or grayed out, because we won't see it because it'll be on a black t-shirt. So that's why I'm duplicating this, and I'm going to right click and choose layer, and I'm going to send that to the back. I'm now going to grab all of these together, move them down So this way, if we have it on a black t-shirt, it'll stand out, and I'll show you. Let's click on the background of the image itself, of the workspace rather. Let's choose the color wheel and let's choose black. And so now you can see how it looks on a black t-shirt. So if I move this down some, it looks a little better, but I actually think this might look better on a white t-shirt. I think because the blue is kind of, I don't know. I don't know if it's the blue or the orange that's throwing me off. Let's see. Now let's just undo this. We're just going to put this on a white t-shirt. So let's just delete this workspace background. Okay, so now we have a brand new graphic design image that we can put on a t-shirt. So my creators, you can see I made a few changes. I wasn't quite happy with that specific blue, so I went into the text into the app and I changed this blue around a little bit. I made it a different color blue, as you can see. I made it more of a like an aqua blue, so to speak. So I like that a lot better. So I made a few changes, and I also changed this over here. I made this a little more orange like over here. So just a few changes, but nothing different than what I've shown you how to do already. All right, so now I want to show you how you can take these images and put them onto mock-ups excuse me, mock-ups for your store, so you can sell your t-shirts in Etsy or Shopify or wherever. But let me show you how you would put them on your mock-up. So I have some mock-ups here, and this is way too big, and the excuse me, the reason that this looks bigger is because it's a different size than this. Okay, these were 12 by 16. All right, and these were 3000 by 3000 pixels. So you just have to use the little roller down here, the scroller, to change the size. All right, so now I'm going to go back over to my images, and I am going to just download these. Now remember, if you don't have a pro subscription, you cannot download them with a transparent background. We are going to download these pages as a PNG with a transparent background, and we're increasing the resolution to at least 2.75. We do this because when you are putting an image on a t-shirt or anything that's going to be print on demand, you must have a high resolution. What you see on screen is totally different than what you see on an actual print on demand item. What you see on screen looks fine, but this resolution is low. It's like 96. You don't need that much to see it on the computer, but when you print it out, it's a lot different. So we want to make sure it's PNG, transparent background, and at least 2.75 for the resolution size. That's going to yield us like almost a 300 DPI, or definitely a 300 DPI image, which is what you need. All right, my creators, so I have uploaded the two images that we just downloaded as PNGs, and I'm gonna go over here and let me reduce the size of this. These are different sizes. I'm not sure if I told you that earlier, but this is a different size than this, so that's why this looks so large on the screen. This is actually 12 by 16, and this is a 3000 by 3000 pixel size. Okay, so I have this image here, and by the way, these will be left in the template as well for you to use, so you don't have to buy any images or mock-ups. They're already in your download if you are a YouTube member. in my YouTube membership. So I'm going to click on this one and it puts it over here, and I'm going to reduce the size a little bit. And since she's turned somewhat, I'm just going to turn it just a bit. And if you want, you are able to edit this by double clicking. You can move it down if you want. You can do whatever you want. You can move it to wherever you want. These are for your personal use only. You may use these to show off your designs, okay? Here's another one. I'm going to click on this one and it pops over onto the screen. I'm going to make it a little smaller and we're going to just kind of fit it on here nicely. There we go. Okay, and I have some others here, so if you want to see it on a white t-shirt, you can use the ones with the white t-shirt mock-ups or sweatshirts. So I'm just turning that because she's angled a little bit. And here's one that has a, this is a Gildan sweatshirt. So you can use that one. If you want to make it larger, you just double click and use the ends of it to move it up or down. And then just make sure you put the image appropriately, and now you've got your mock-ups. Okay, so like I said, these will be included if you have my YouTube membership as well. All right, my creators, so you see how the power of Canva can transition things for you. We can make some beautiful, beautiful designs using Canva and apps. And I've made it possible so that if you're stuck on the apps, I have the templates available for you to just get started. So I hope you've had fun. And we're going to do some more of these so you get used to this. And it's a lot of fun. I enjoy doing it tremendously, and I hope you do too. All right, my creators, I hope that you learned something today. I'm going to leave the template for members. So if you're a member of my YouTube channel, you'll have the template and you can play around with it. Okay. Also, if you liked the video, please comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to join my Facebook group. I'll leave the link in the description and the pinned comment. And also check out my website where you may find many images and templates that you could use for your own designs. All right, my creators, as I always say, the more we create, the less we hate. And I will see you in the next video.